Hello everyone, welcome to English with Evelyn, and in this quiz for beginners we are going to test some synonyms. Synonyms means the meanings of the words. So some words will be given in sentences and from the context you have to tell the correct synonym of that word. To take the quiz, all you have to do is choose the word closest in meaning to the underlined words in the sentences given. Please feel free to pause the video if you need more time. You will get 10 seconds to guess the right answer. And do not forget to share your scores with me in the comment section. And the first sentence is, Ketan, who is a good bowler, has been able to keep his place on the team. The options are A. Play, B. Participate, C. Maintain, or D. Recruit. And the correct answer is C. Maintain. Ketan has been able to maintain his place on the team. Second question. His wages will depend on how well he does the job. The meaning of wages is A. Salary, B. Skills, C. Waves, or D. Employers. And the correct answer is A. Salary. Third sentence. The HOD discovered several errors in the question paper. And your options are A. Answers, B. Corrections, C. Mistakes, and D. Numbers. And the correct answer to this question is C. Mistakes. Sentence 4. My son became aware of his mistake instantly. And the options are A. Entirely, B. Frequently, C. Obviously, or D. Immediately. And the correct option is D. Immediately. Sentence number 5. My mother said that the new neighbor was very arrogant. Arrogant means A. Official, B. Crude, C. Haughty, or D. Attractive. And the correct option is C. Haughty. Sentence number 6. The complete set of tools will cost 2000 rupees. And complete possibly means A. Entire, B. Finish, C. Common, or D. Interesting. And the correct answer is A. Entire. Option 7. After the football game, the field was a scene of total chaos. And chaos means A. Celebration, B. Comprehension, C. Sports, or D. Confusion. And the correct answer is D. Confusion. The driver was unable to provide an acceptable explanation. The word acceptable means A. Simple, B. Alternative, C. Additional, or D. Satisfactory. And the meaning of acceptable is D. Satisfactory. Number 9. If you had done the repairs properly, we wouldn't have had trouble with the bike. Here, the word properly means option A, on the engine, B, completely, C, easily, or D, correctly. And the correct answer is B, completely. The 10th and last sentence on the quiz is Sam will surely do well in college. Do well means to have fun, B, to be nice, C, to work hard, or D, to be successful. And do well in this context means to be successful. I hope the quiz has been useful. Do let me know your scores, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.